One more student have doubt in the hydraulic press. Now in hydraulic press, the hydraulic press is the application of the Pascal's law. ठीक है, in that is in Pascal's law we apply pressure at one point and its output is at we get at another point, and where we have to apply the effort, where we apply the pressure, that having low area, where we want to get the output, here is the more area. You can see on the input area of a tube is less, but on the output tube the area is more. Okay, first of all its construction. Now in its construction it have two tube, one is the pump tube and second one is the press tube. The pump tube is attached with the pump piston. Okay, and this one is further attached with the lever. Why we attach with the lever? Because if there is a small effort we apply, then with the help of the lever the effort can be increased. Okay, and then the press tube also attached with the press piston, and this pressed piston further attached with the platform. On this platform there is a cotton balls or the material which we want to press. Okay, which we want to make sheets. That material we can place between the platform and the concrete shed. Okay, now next one, these two tube having one outlet, this one tube, and dip into the water tank. The two tubes are dip into the water tank, and the two tube also attached with each other with this tube. Okay, now the tube having two valve, that is a valve B1 and valve B2, and these two valve only open in upward direction, not in downward, only in upward direction the valve can open. And here is a release valve. It means कि by opening or we can open or close this valve, and the water from this pump press tube can move into the water tank. Okay, this one is about its construction. Okay, and now its working is there. Now when I push this pump cylinder in upward direction, then there is decrease in pressure inside the tube. With the decrease in the pressure inside the tube, the valve V1 open up and the water from the water tank enters into the pump tube. It means in the first step we have to push this pump piston in upward direction, then the pressure inside the tube decreases and the water from the water tank enters into the pump tube. Now the pump tube have water. Okay, now when we press this lever, that is press this pump tube in downward direction, now the valve V1 is closed. The water cannot move back into the water tank. Now the water move from this tap, this pipe that is attached with the press tube. It means the water is moved from pump tube to the press tube when we press this lever in downward direction. Now the water is in the press tube. Now the valve B2 open up and the water enter into this. How much, जितना हम pressure apply करते हैं, that pressure, how much pressure we apply on the lever that is on the pump tube, that much pressure is transmitted to the press tube. ठीक है, and this with the help of this pressure the press tube this moved into the upward direction. When it move into the upward direction, then this cotton ball or any material can be pressed out, then we can make its sheets. ठीक है, now we want to remove the sheets from this platform. Then how to remove it? Just release this valve. When we release the valve, the water from the press tube move back into the water tank, and this piston, press piston moves that down. Okay, and this platform can be used for further. We can use it for further. And if the concrete shed is not there, then we can simply lift, or concrete shed is not there, then we can simply lift the objects by place it on this platform. We can just lift. It means कि this press tube can also be this hydraulic press can also be used as a hydraulic lift. if the concrete shed is not there. It means the working is same, construction is same, only remove this concrete shed. This one is all about the working. Okay.